Abandoned, forgotten, left to decay for over 60 years. Hidden deep along a quiet mountain road, covered in rust, dust, and silence, sat a tiny machine that once carried big dreams. This is the story of the legendary BMW Isetta. Back in the 1950s, the world was rebuilding. Cities were rising again, economies were struggling, and people needed something simple, affordable, and efficient. That's when BMW introduced something completely different, not a powerful sports car, not a luxury sedan, but a tiny, almost toy-like vehicle that would change urban mobility forever. The Isetta. Nicknamed the bubble car, it looked like nothing else on the road. Small enough to fit almost anywhere, yet bold enough to stand out everywhere. But what truly made it special was its design. Instead of doors on the side, the entire front of the car opened up. Yes, the whole front swung outward, steering wheel and all, like stepping into a different world. It wasn't just a car, it was an experience. Powered by a small single-cylinder engine, it wasn't built for speed, but it was built for survival. It gave people freedom at a time when freedom was expensive. And for a while, it worked. The BMW Isetta became a symbol of smart innovation. It helped BMW survive one of its toughest financial periods. But as time moved forward, bigger cars returned, faster machines took over, and this tiny icon slowly faded away. Until one day, it was found, abandoned on a remote mountain road, untouched for decades. The once glossy body had turned into layers of rust. The tires were flat, the windows fogged, the interior completely worn out. Nature had taken over. It looked like the end of the story. But for true car lovers, this was just the beginning. The restoration journey started with a simple goal: bring this forgotten legend back to life. Every bolt, every nut, every single component had to be carefully removed. The body was stripped down completely, revealing years of damage hidden beneath. Rust was everywhere, but instead of giving up, the process continued. Hours turned into days, days into weeks, and weeks into months. The metal was repaired, reshaped, and restored. The engine, once frozen and lifeless, was carefully rebuilt piece by piece. New life was slowly being injected into this silent machine. The interior was recrafted to match its original charm, simple, clean, and nostalgic. And finally, the moment arrived. The first start. A deep breath, a turn of the key, and silence for a second. Then suddenly, a small spark of life. The engine coughed, struggled, and then, came alive. After more than 60 years, this tiny machine was breathing again. It wasn't loud, it wasn't aggressive, but it was alive. And that was everything. The first drive was emotional. Rolling slowly down the road, the BMW Isetta moved like it had never stopped. People turned their heads, smiled, pointed, amazed by what they were seeing. Because this wasn't just a car anymore. This was history, reborn. A reminder that no matter how broken something looks, with passion, patience, and dedication, it can live again. From rust, to revival. From silence, to sound. From forgotten, to unforgettable. The BMW Isetta is more than just a microcar. It's proof that even the smallest legends can leave the biggest impact. So if you believe in bringing the past back to life, if you love machines with soul, then this journey is just the beginning. Make sure you stay with us, because more incredible restorations are coming your way. And trust me,